you would have seen my vlog of me going to the salon to make my hair. I actually went back to making my hair. I didn't stop making my hair. I only cut my hair because I wanted to grow out the front part section of my hair that was thinning out. It was just reducing by the day. Like I felt like I was having partial alopecia on one part of my hair, this part of my hair. So I had to cut it off just so I can build it back again. So the what do they call it? I used castor oil for my hair. That was the only cream I was using. So my hair is like 2 inches long now, 2 or 3 inches long. That's how long my hair is. So I had to go to the salon to make it because I wanted a new look. I'm tired of having the low cut, and I have an occasion to attend this weekend, so I don't want to look like a house help. I want to look very, very okay because I'm somebody's wife. I have to look, you understand what I mean? So what do you guys think about the hair? I love the hair. I love the new look, as in I just love how I look and all of this stuff. So from now henceforth, I started making my hair again. No more low cuts. I'm not cutting my hair again because I've actually gotten the thickness I want for my front hair. So I can do anything for my hair. I can cut it off anytime I feel like it, because if my hair is not doing, if my hair is not growing the way it's supposed to grow, me, when you're getting I will cut it because I want it to grow according to the way it's supposed to grow. If it's not growing normal, I cut it. So that was what I did. I like the improvement. I like the progress. So what do you guys think? So guys, it's been long, at least over 1 week or 2 weeks I did a day in my life. So today is actually Wednesday, and I've woken up hours ago, said my morning prayer, did my prayer on NSPPD because I am a proud NSPPDian. I have a couple of things to do today. I made my hair yesterday. You must have seen the clip before now. This is the first part of the hair that my hairstylist made. So she did not actually hold the down part very well because maybe she was trying to check if this side would be okay or not. So the thing was the hold at the root was not strong. So I had to pull it out because it was not strong. Like it was not strong. It literally was falling out. So before, I don't want to miss this particular strand, so I had to just remove it without stress. So I'm going back to her salon this morning to put it back, and after that I'm going to be heading to the post office. Some of my stuff arrived from AliExpress, and Speeder doesn't really send me email. I just track my order and go there to collect it. So what I mean, so is the fact that your spouse will annoy you so much, and
don't overthink things, baby, 'cause I know that you do. You've been a stranger lately, and I know that's not you. Easy come, easy go, no need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go, no stress, I'm good without it. Easy come.
guys, one of my parcels just came in from AliExpress. This should be the water bottle I ordered because I need something that will make me to drink water, so I had to order this from AliExpress. I'm going to put the price, I'm going to put the amount I got it on the screen for you guys, and I want to do a little unboxing so you see what it looks like. So I brought it out. This is it. It's just, it's like plastic, not really. It's strong. Let's open it from this package. So, Prosper, can you leave? I need all the light I can get. So it has this kind of write-ups here. What? I don't know if you can see it. This is 3 p.m, 4 p.m, 11 a.m, 3 p.m, like that. So it has this plastic effect. It's strong. So let's open it up.
Open it up.
Okay. The opening feels like this rubber is like as if you're opening a bottle. When you're opening it, like you're opening a bottle, but when you're closing it, it just takes a little turn and it will just enter. You just press it down and it closes. So at least it's handy. You can put it in your bag, and you always have water with you to drink. And when it finishes, you refill. So that's why I got it. So guys, when you take a closer look at it, this is what it looks like. Very cute. We have, this is full, but you know, as a Nigerian that I am, I'm going to make sure it gets to this level. But they said full here, so this is 8 a.m. 1 p.m. So it just gives you like the quantity of water you should drink every hour, something like that. When it gets to this place, you have to refill. When it gets down, you have to refill and continue that way. So this is what we look like. You can order yours from AliExpress and drink away. Drink water and mind your business. Welcome back. Today is Friday, and I have prosper, and I have a whole lot of things to do. You guys, I'm losing motivation to vlog. I'm losing motivation to vlog, and I'm just taking one step, one day at a time, just so I can be able to get clips. The video is supposed to go up this evening. Up to now, my clips are not complete. I've not finished editing, and I don't just know when Asha we will succeed. Enjoy the vlog and join the family if you have not. So guys, this is Prosper. Now say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Easy go, let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go.
Cosmetics, even though some of them I couldn't get some. My face wash, my 3T oil face wash. I'll show you guys what that looks like in a bit. Let me just get it for you guys so you see what it looks like. I'm back. So this is what my face wash looks like. This is the T3 foaming face wash. This is what I use currently. If you watch, you see that I finished already. So I couldn't get it. They don't have it in Press Mega, so I do not buy anyone. So I'm just going to do a little unboxing for you guys so you see what I got. So I got this Paloma Classic, super soft for ladies who need to clean our down below when we use the toilet. So this is like 10 pieces in one. So I'm not going to be telling you the price. So I got this paste Oral-B, and I got this perfume Savage. Let me open it. Let me show you guys what it looks like. I've not opened it, but just like all these designers, something. So I don't really know what it looks like. Let's. Has this fruity smell to it, fruity spirit smell. I'm not a perfume person. I don't really know the scents of most perfumes, but I know I'm able to tell when it's fruity and minty. It has this fruity and minty smell, but there's one particular smell that I don't know I don't know the name of it. So I got my face cleanser, my all-time egg yolk, Queen Helen's egg yolk face cleanser. I got this Dr. T aluminum free deodorant. I've been longing to buy this. You know, there's a difference between natural deodorants like roll-on and the normal one we put on our body. So I wanted to buy the essential one. I wanted to buy it because it's actually natural. It doesn't make it stops in underarm, dark underarm. Let me show you guys on Jumia. I wanted to buy this essential one because it's actually natural deodorant. They don't have it there, so I had to get this Dr. T's. So I just hope it's able to, even though I know it's not going to be the same, but at least you're able to do the job a little. So I got this one, and it's a stick. I got this perfume. If you know me physically, because you cannot smell me when you are on YouTube. So if you know me physically, you know I like perfumes. For who? I'm making video. Can you go away? You know I like perfume. I like to smell nice all the time. So I got this I've been hearing of this. I've been hearing different on TikTok. So many persons have been talking about different peps by Latafa. So I wanted to try out one of them. I bought this Barakat, but it's like the clone type of Barakat. I've shown you guys one of that one time on my channel, but it's kind of feminine, so I wanted something unisex because I and my hubby used to share perfume sometimes. So I had to get this Rams by Latafa. So this is Rams by Latafa. I really don't know the scents. I really don't know the actual scent inside, but I'm going to open it. So I love the design so much. So let's open it up. I can show you guys what the inside looks like. Okay, it has like this paper inside. Wow, and this paper, okay, this paper has like all the Latafa scents. All the scents you can get that is by Latafa. Prosper is here, disturbing me as usual. Wisdom! No, leave it. Come and take Prosper away. So this is the one I got here. All this paper, this leaflet has all the perfume that is produced by Latafa. Maybe I guess that's what it is here. So this is the particular one I got here. This Ramzo's here. This one here. So, and they said it's the top note. Wow, this is actually nice. Like this booklet actually tells us what this perfume is all about. So they said the top note is sweet orange, black currant, apple, pear and peach. Then the heart note is jasmine, sambac, orange flower and rose. Prosper, can I hear myself? Then the base note is patchouli, sandalwood, vanilla and white musk. So right now I now know, with wisdom you're blocking my light. So now I now know what I'm actually going for in this perf. So I'm going to be keeping these leaflets very, very safe because I want to invest in a lot of I want to invest in a whole lot of natafas. So please, can you stop talking in my video?
What is it?
So I'll just keep this, put it away, and then bring out the perfume for you guys so you see. My camera battery is about to go off. So it's out the box. So this is what it looks like. Okay, this is it. I love the write-up. It has love, it has heart, wish, different stuff. So let's just spray it. So see. Okay, I sprayed out that one here. Let me spray this here. Wow, it smells so nice. And I can actually perceive that fruity smell and the musk smell. And it's actually unisex. It's actually unisex. So that is all for my unboxing. That's all I went to buy in Prince Mega. I hope you are enjoying this vlog. So guys, we're going to call it a day. This is currently 8:46 and I'm about to edit this video just so I can post it today so you can enjoy it tomorrow. So if you've not joined the family, do well to join the family, turn on your post notification, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.